Hi friends, today in this video I am going to tell you about Anki software. As you can see, this is a desktop software of Anki. I have particularly installed it, and in this video you will get the interface of Anki software. In the next video I will also let you know how you can download or install the Anki software in your desktop, so that definitely you will be able to use software in an easy manner. The number one thing is, as you can see here, you have got multiple options here, and there are also multiple options that you can do with your Anki software. Let me go through one by one for you so that you can make flashcards very easily. Number one thing is the deck making process. Deck means you have to create a deck of the subject. So the subject name, for example, is science. So I write here science. You will see that I have already made some decks like computer, history, and science. So I have created subject name into the deck so that by clicking on the science you will see now you have created the deck, but that's not all. The thing is you have to add multiple or unlimited number of flashcards into it, but I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams is a modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. In this way you'll see that you can generate flashcards by writing a question or writing anything that you want to read for, and then writing in the back about the answer. Just adding that you will get a flashcard.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. I'm vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
You will see that if it took less time, that's easy. If it took less than 10 minutes, that's good. If 6 minutes, it is hard. Then again, if less than 1 minute, in this manner you will see that you are able to solve information. Now, if there is an option that you can delete the also, you can delete the audio. There are multiple options of creating flashcards. As you can see here, I just told you about one way of making the flashcards, but there are multiple ways. By clicking on that, you will be seeing that you have basic and reversed, basic optional reversed, close, image occlusion. These are so advanced, but they are so good when it comes to learning flashcards. In my next video, I'm going to tell you about how you can add audio, video, images in your flashcards to make that look so visually appealing, as well as so that you can learn information in a more enjoyable manner. Let's move ahead with the next feature so that you can add more and more and start studying the flashcards. By clicking on the browse feature, you will see that whatever today you have created, the flashcards are shown here. Whatever flagged flashcards are, in case you have flagged, will be there. Any new flashcard, for example, I created it now, so it is showing it here, learning or reviewing or suspended. In this way you will get all of the flashcards, I would say status. Then we have statistics. Now statistics is basically your learning experience, like how analysis of like what you have done, how much is left, and what you can do to make your learning more good for you. When it comes to sync is something which is basically to get the information or whatever the flashcards, if you have created using another email in the past, you can synchronize that by using email option, and just clicking on that you will put the email and the password. Your account, whatever that flashcards or history was there, is going to be synchronized over here, and all of the flashcards will be shown here. In my next video, I'm going to tell you about all of the features of editing and going with the tools and how you can synchronize your data from laptop to your desk, to your tablet, or to your mobile phone also. And I'm also going to tell you that how there are multiple ways of creating your flashcards. Not only this, but there are multiple ways. By clicking on add, you will see there are multiple ways of creating flashcards, which I'm going to make you learn in the next video. So till then, this was all about today's video about Anki software. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such content in the future. I will be making my next video on Anki software. Goodbye. Take care.